Have you ever arrived at a business meeting, wedding, cruise, or vacation destination only to pull a shirt out of your suitcase and discover it looks like it was crumpled into a ball? Most people assume the solution is an iron, but understanding why clothes wrinkle can help you fix the problem much faster and often without an iron at all. Today I'm going to explain why clothes wrinkle, why travel makes it worse, and one of the easiest ways to remove wrinkles when you're away from home. Clothing is made from thousands of tiny fibers woven together. When those fibers are folded, compressed, twisted, or squeezed under pressure, they bend out of shape. The longer they stay bent, the more likely they are to hold that shape. That's what creates wrinkles. Think about a shirt stuffed into a suitcase for 6 hours. Every fold creates pressure. Every pressure point creates a wrinkle. By the time you unpack, those fibers have essentially, quote-unquote, memorized their new position. Not all fabrics behave the same way. Cotton wrinkles easily because the fibers bend and hold their shape. Linen is even more prone to wrinkles. Synthetic fabrics like polyester resist wrinkles much better because the fibers naturally spring back into place. Suitcases create the perfect wrinkle machine. Your clothes are folded tightly, compressed, and exposed to movement for hours. When they see wrinkles, most people immediately think, I need an iron. But when you're traveling, that's not always practical. Top tip, use shower steam. Hang your garment in the bathroom while you take a hot shower with the door closed. The steam relaxes the fibers. For an even faster method, lightly mist the clothing with water and pull it smooth. The moisture allows the fibers to release their memory. To prevent wrinkles, roll your clothes, avoid overstuffing, and unpack immediately. Don't let the pressure set in. A little steam, a little moisture, and a few minutes can often make your clothes look dramatically better. It's about working with the fibers, not against them. I'm Scott, and that's your top tip for today. Subscribe for more ways to make your daily life easier.